We're on your side tonight, separating fake from fact when it comes to getting whiter teeth. You've probably seen videos and ads touting DIY methods online, from charcoal to certain fruits. So we wanted to bust some myths tonight. We want you to weigh in, so you can go to WBTV.com/vote right now. But before we get into the teeth whitening methods, it's important to understand why our teeth may get yellow over time. We asked Dr. Bradford Picot from SouthEnd Dentistry here in Charlotte. He says it mainly comes down to two things: drinks and foods that stain our teeth, and drinks and foods that erode our enamel.
That acidity wears away on the enamel layer, which exposes the dentin layer, which is naturally yellow. Staining can also come from tea or red wine or other substances that naturally stain our teeth, and smoking as well.
Now let's start with our first DIY method: charcoal. People put it in food, drinks, face masks, and so on. It's supposed to be a cleansing agent. It's also used while brushing teeth. So, fake or fact, activated charcoal is one way to whiten your teeth. Dr. Picot says that is fake.
You can try activated charcoal, but that would be fiction. Some studies have shown that charcoal is very abrasive and it can actually wear down on the enamel layer of the tooth, which is responsible for the white appearance of teeth.
Next is another natural DIY method, that is using fruit. There is a theory that suggests brushing your teeth with crushed strawberries or lemons can help brighten your smile. Fake or fact? You see it on the screen. Dr. Picot says fake.
I would say fiction in terms of that being the best way to whiten your teeth. One of the effects of many agents that are out there is erosion. Many of them are acidic. So when you find fruits such as strawberries and lemons, they have some acidity to them, and they're fine to eat in moderation. But if you use them, quite frankly, for the purpose of whitening teeth, it's that acidity that can wear down on the enamel layer.
Next, there are valid DIY methods to whitening your teeth. This is fact. Dr. Picot says besides professional whitening, the American Dentistry Association also recommends Crest whitening strips. He says there are also some whitening toothpastes by Crest and Colgate that are effective. But that leads to our next fake or fact: whitening works for everyone. Dr. Picot says that is fake. Most bleaching treatments do work for people, but there are some cases where it won't be effective. He says, for example, if someone doesn't have much enamel left, there isn't much that can be done in terms of whitening. And the best solution may be something cosmetic like veneers. And finally, professional whitening is permanent. Fake or fact?
Nothing's permanent in dentistry, per se. Nothing is permanent. That would be fiction. And the reason is that we expose our mouths to various agents, whether it's coffees, teas, red wine, or if someone's a smoker. All these are habits that can actually shorten the whitening result.
Dr. Picot says taking good care of your teeth will keep the whitening effect lasting longer. If you have a topic you'd like us to separate fake from fact, send it to us. Just use the hashtag OYSTonight on Twitter or email askjamie@WBTV.com.